Hello there, Cougar Academy, and welcome to the Unit 8 review. Okay, so the review is going to be broken up into a few parts here, essentially just walking through some of the problems that we have already done. So, first chapter was on just simplifying basic fractions. Remember that you can reduce the number parts, so 10 over 30 is just 1/3. The negative, it could be in the numerator or the denominator. And then remember that n squared over n, you subtract those powers, so negative 1 over 3n would be your answer. Okay. Main idea with 2 is remove GCF first. Always look out for those greatest common factors. 7r, r is the greatest common factor. That leaves you with r plus 6. Okay, that is essentially what the new denominator is. If you have the same quantities, then you can cancel them out. Now just be careful. There's an imaginary 1 up here, so it's 1 over 7r. That's what's left, and that is simplified. All right. 3, so greatest common factor or good old regular factoring. So I'm going to factor the numerator. That's factors of negative 4 that add to 3. So positive 4 and negative 1 would be the factors all over. Greatest common factor in the denominator, we're going to bring out a 9x. What that's going to leave us with, 9x squared actually, what that's going to leave us with is x minus, actually x plus, 4. All right, so all that tweaked out and everything good to go. Now the magical thing here, the x plus 4s now will cancel, and that will leave us with x minus 1 all over 9x squared. You cannot cancel out this x squared and the x in the numerator because the x in the numerator is in a quantity. So that is reduced there. Okay, number 4. 4n minus 16, so bring out that 4. So it is then n minus 4 all over. Oh boy, let's bring out a 6 first. Can we do that? Yes. Then it's n squared minus 6n plus 8. Factors of 8 that add to negative 6. So 6 out front, n minus 4. And n minus 2. So all that is our denominator. And then the n minus 4's cancel. That's going to leave us 4 and 6. Those can reduce. 4 over 6, that would be 2/3. So the final answer is 2 over 3n minus 2. If you wanted to redistribute, you can. Just do not cross out this 2 and the 2 below. All right, so GCF and then factoring should be able to handle something like that. That's nothing too crazy. Multiply and then simplify. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Multiply, then simplify. Okay, remember multiplying top to top. So 7 times 6, 42. All over 9 times 8, 72. X to the third. We'll just take care of 42 divided by 72 in the calculator. And that's 7 over 12. X to the third. Okay, that's really about it. Let me just double check. Yeah, okay. Multiply, then simplify. All right, number 6, we have our parentheses. This time they're already factored out for us. So let's just take a look. Remember, you can just think of it as one big fraction. I am going to put this in parentheses just so we don't lose it. And then we'll notice we can cancel out those. The x plus 6s. The x minus 10s are gone. And the x minus 9s, it's a cross-out frenzy, leaving x plus 3. Okay, you can say over 1, but x plus 3 is the final answer. Okay, 7, similar idea. Let's group the a plus 6. All right, the a minus 1s cancel. The a plus 6s, so it's 9 over a plus 5. All right, and that's it there. 10v minus 70, v minus 7. Greatest common factor for the 10v minus 70. So let's bring out a 10. That makes it v minus 7. Okay, 6v squared, v minus 7. Well, the v minus 7s can cancel. The 10 and the 6 can reduce by 2 apiece. So 5 all over 3v squared is that particular answer. Okay, and I'll leave you off there. That would be the first part review. If you want to keep going, you certainly can, but I'll have another part for part 2.